What's up everybody, back again with another mods video. So I must say I have the bike since December, but a lot of changes have been made since then.
What do you mean?
Well, let me show you. Okay, so let's not get carried away and start at the beginning. We are going to follow the same procedure of the mods walk around of my NC700X. So first off, the exhaust system. This is the JAMA laser exhaust, but I don't know the specific name for it. They go out as DualTones, Xtremes and Deeptones. But don't ask me the specific name for it. You might also notice that the exhausts look wider than normal, but that's because I have changed out the position of the pipe so it matches the contours of the bike. It makes the tail look so much more aggressive, as I say so myself. Take a listen. They sound amazing, don't they? Pretty nice for an exhaust system that came with the bike. Seems like the previous owner put a lot of money in those, because I have found out that you can pay up to 1,000 euros for the kit when they were new. And since we are at the rear, this is a free mod you can see at VFRWORLD.com by the user of Webber. Link in the description. It's a free tailtidy which removes the ugly plastic fender from the bike without damaging it by cutting it. So it's a genius idea and it looks absolutely perfect. It makes the tail look so much better. Next up we have the famous rubber sleeve on the rear brake pedal. Same reason as before. In the rain my foot won't slip off the brake pedal and it doesn't damage my right boot. When I bought the bike I saw that the exhaust heat shield, this thing was rusted, so I've painted it, but then I changed the brake fluid and you can see here that it ran on. The paint, well yeah, the brake fluid did it and it ruined my work, so that sucks. Anyway, next up we have the wheel striping. This looks horrible, as I say so myself. It's bubbly, it looks all nasty, it looks worn. So it looks like an amateur stuck it on. On the front it's even more noticeable, because you can see the sticker peeling. And that's not a really good quality, and you can even see here that it runs over the other, it covers the other. So I have found some wheel striping on AliExpress, so that will probably come up on my Instagram at CDA441. So I post some pictures on that. So yeah, that's my Instagram. Well, I don't have any cheap mods for the radiators or front forks, because the main rats are built in the sides of the bike, as you can see here. And also the forks already have a seal protector, those black thingamajigs. That's money well saved. And as you can see here, a center stand was also included on the bike, but it seems like that was a stock option. So if you follow me a long time ago, you might know that I'm a commuter and I like to secure my baggage to the bike or lock it up safe. As on all my bikes, I have a top case carrier. I bought the rack, but I stole the case and mounting plate from my NC700X before selling it. So that saved me some money, because a new case with the plate can cost up to 220 euros or so. The rack itself was already 110. And worst of all, it isn't compatible with my OEM side cases. But anyway, it's handy storage and still rainproof. And on the tank I have my tank bag. I got the tank bag with the bike, but that was so easily removable that you can't put any stuff in it for safekeeping on the bike itself when you're gone. So now I have this tank box, which you might also know from the last mods on my NC700X video. Look at that link in the right upper corner, which is secured by the SW Motec Quadlock system. So yeah, as you might know, that works like this, and it's off the bike. You put it back on and it's nice and secure. And also I have that tether again, so no one can steal that off my bike. Now for the creature comfort. The seat came with the bike, which is in fact again a top Sellerie comfort seat. That's money well spent by the previous owner. And also because I needed some extra storage space, I also bought a seat cover that normally should come with the bike, but it wasn't included. So I paid around 37 bucks for it. But now I have a place to put my reflective vest in. And the best thing is that the seat cover even fits on the aftermarket seat. And on the tank we have some Oxford tank clamp tank grips. They protect the bike and make sure I don't slip away with my textile pants. They are made of rubber with 3M sticky packs. And I got these from my parents, as you might know from the last mods on my bike video. And a bit further up to the front we have our controls. Yes, the thing that connects your hands to the bike. So, the bike came with heated grips from Saito, but now I have installed some Oxford heated grips. And these are the premium touring kind, where you can incrementally change the heating power. However, they eat batteries for breakfast, so it's best practice to almost never get them to 100%, because 50% is enough. Also put my clip-ons a little bit higher, as you can see here. Yeah, they are on the top of the front forks, so my back will kill me otherwise. And as you might see, I have a cramp buster and do-it-yourself cruise control, made with a piece of thick copper wire. And on my triple tree I have a cheap voltmeter from AliExpress that's way off. You can't trust that thing for accurate readings, only to see drops in voltage. On the left we have an SAE USB charger. And on the right there's a stem ball mount for my Quadlock. It's a genius invention and you should watch my review in the right upper corner. And next up we have the windshield. It's an MRA touring windscreen with a Vario thingy-majig on it, which I do like because that Vario piece deflects the wind way better than my AliExpress deflector. I normally ride it with it down, but since it's winter I'm trying to ride with it up because it gives me more turbulence otherwise. And on my mirror we have a little round ball for my face cam. So those were the mods on my bike. I hope you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and yeah, keep updated for new videos. If you have any question at all considering the bike, the mods, where I got them, how I should do something, please comment on this video or on any other video, because I will appreciate it. Thanks and bye bye! off-roading a bike.